Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can write a professional sales pitch in seconds using LogicBalls. So whether you're selling a product, a service, or even promoting your brand, this tool will make it super quick and easy. First of all, you can head over to the LogicBalls website on your desktop. And once you are here on the home page, you will be finding a range of tools for content creation. You can look out for option for, sales pitch generator or something similar. You can just go ahead and find it. Paraphrasing tool is available here, even any other options available. If you do have the option directly for sales pitch generator, you can just go ahead and use that feature in order to instantly create persuasive pitches that you can use in emails, presentations, or even direct messages. For example, let's say Amazon product title generator. Go ahead and click on it. I think we need the pro version if you would like to use the pitch option directly. So what we can do is once you are here, you can specify your product or your service here. So just go ahead and enter up your product name here. For example, let's say a coaching program. So we're just gonna go ahead and type in that. And you can add in your product benefits, like what is it for? It is for busy professional who are looking for something, those kind of things. And you can even add up keywords and everything. After you do so, you can just go ahead and hit generate and click on generate title. And here, just go ahead and fill out. Let me just go ahead and type in online program, let's say, and hit this. After you do so, wait for some seconds. And after you do so within few seconds, LogicBalls should give you a polished sales pitch that highlights your benefits. You can just go ahead and do so, and it will give you a value and a call to action. So they can just go ahead and look out for LogicBalls pitch here. They will go ahead and do so. You can select if you'd like the more precise and tailored please here. You can just go ahead and do so. You can just go ahead and click on your program, specific benefits, and you can select the option for Ask AI or summarize it. We're gonna go ahead and look out for, let's say, detailed option. You can just go ahead and hit that, and it will give you the result you're looking for. And you can edit out the tone, make it shorter, keeping it long depending upon whether you're using it for social media. And that's how easy it is to create a sales pitch with LogicBalls. And you can just follow up this process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what kind of sales pitch you would like to create with this tool.